Today, we're cooking a traditional Ukrainian breakfast, Brisels and Waffle Crusts. Heat a frying pan with a tablespoon of sunflower oil. Take the ground meat, season it to taste with salt and pepper, and mix it up. Whisk the eggs together until they are smooth and well combined. Next, take a waffle crust, spoon the meat mixture onto it, and spread the meat mixture evenly over the surface of the waffle crust. Then top with another waffle crust. Dredge the waffle sandwich in the egg mixture on both sides. Immediately place the waffle sandwich in the preheated frying pan, as the waffles can quickly become soggy from the egg mixture. Fry on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. It's delicious served with sour cream and is even tastier with a sauce, the recipe for which you can find in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the Food My Dreams channel.